Welcome the our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Postmark, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Navigate to the Postmark website at postmarkapp.com. Once on the home page, look for the sign up button, usually located in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to proceed. You will be taken to the registration page. Here, you will need to enter your email address. Create a strong password for your account. After filling in your details, click on the Create Account button. Next, check your email for a confirmation message from Postmark. Open the email and look for the confirmation link. Click the link to verify your email address. After verification, you will be prompted to complete your profile. Fill in any required information about your company or usage. Once done, click the Continue button. Now, you will be directed to the Postmark dashboard. Explore the dashboard features to familiarize yourself with the layout. To configure your account settings, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Review your settings and make any necessary adjustments. When you're ready, start using Postmark to manage your email delivery needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.